My friend, the gap on the top of the bathroom cabinet door panel is small, and the gap on the bottom is large. It rubs when opened. How to solve this problem? Today I will tell you the first step. Open the door and you will see two screws, one on the left and one on the right. The left one adjusts the size of the door gap, and the right one adjusts the flatness of the door panel. Let's first turn the left screw to the left and try to adjust it. After the adjustment, the door is no longer rubbing, but the gap is still a little big. Let's adjust it again. This time we turn it less when adjusting. Let's try again. We adjust it more. We loosen the screw again and loosen two more threads. Then we try again. This time it works. The upper and lower gaps are almost the same, and the left and right are flat. Next, we loosen the screw inside and see what the tail panel looks like. Rotating it to the left is loose, and rotating it to the right is tight. Now loosen the screw on the right and let's see how flat the door panel is. After the screw is loosened, the upper door panel tilts outward, and the lower door panel tilts downward, so it is not a straight line. Generally, put the screw in the middle of the screw hole and fix it. Basically, the up and down adjustments are the same. My friend, you see, after adjusting it in this way, the upper and lower door gaps are almost the same, and the left and right door panels are relatively flat. My friend, have you learned how to adjust the door gap? If you don't know, please like and collect it.